and today I'm gonna give you a review of Infinix 030G. So let's get started with the opening of our Infinix phone. So as you can see, Infinix phone have quite big screen, as Infinix company has given us 6.8 inches wide screen. So let's put this phone aside and see what other things has Infinix company provided us. So here we go with this clear cover that Infinix company has provided us, and with that it is a 45-watt charger. With this charger it will maximum take half an hour to complete 100 charging. And Infinix company has also provided us the speaker on the top as well as at the bottom. And in colors we have option of misty green, pearly white and sunset gold. The phone includes 50 megapixel front camera and its result is impressive. On the front, it has Gorilla Glass fire protection with 120Hz almond display and it shows 1 billion colors. This phone also includes curved AMOLED display. And here are the result of vlog with my mom. So आज मेरे फ़ोन से बन रहा है व्लॉग फर्स्ट क्लिप और ये मम्मा इधर काम कर रही हैं. फ़ोटो शूट हो रहा है मीटअप कर रही है. सो आई होप आपको मेरा लुक अच्छा लगा होगा. जैसे कि बहुत मेहनत लगी है. मैं 2 बजे से तैयार हो रही थी और अब जाके 5:30 पे मैं तैयार हुई हूँ. फिर भी मैं अच्छी लग रही हूँ मेरे ख्याल में. तो overall, Infinix 030G is an outstanding phone in reasonable price.